this Hunter fan was clicking. And I pulled it apart. It was just a wire that needed to be tucked up off of the fan. Easy fix. It looks like it might be a little, is it damaged? Let me see. I don't know. No. Alright, so here's how I got to the wire that was loose. First I took out all the bulbs, and then I unscrewed all of these to remove the heavy glass elements. That will limit the amount of weight that will be hanging from the fan once I loosen everything. After that, I unscrewed this bit. There are a couple of screws, I think 3 of them, that will separate this metal piece from the top bit up here, this flat piece. On the inside of here, there are 2 smaller screws that will allow you to loosen that too. All of that will hang, but it won't be a lot of weight after you've taken out the bulbs and taken off the glass shades. That will expose the screws that hold each of the blades in place. You'll have to take those off. Then you'll have to take this down, this big piece. And this has 2 screws on either side that will also hang. That's how I got to it. Then you just reverse the process and the fan is working perfectly without clicking. No clicking, which is amazing. All right, interesting tip. I've been doing this for a number of years. There is a switch on the fan that I always flip in the winter, and that reverses the spin direction of the fan. Supposedly, that's supposed to be better for the winter, where it recirculates or circulates the hot air better in the room. And then when I needed to force the cool air around the room, then I flip it back the other way. On this fan, the switch is right there. Most fans have this in some way or the other, but it's typically on the housing of the fan itself. Cool.